Hello, in this video, I will show you how to create an agent that extracts all latest jobs for you from platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, Upwork from the location you desire. We need to set up 3 MSCP servers by getting their API keys from required platforms. Create an account on appify.com. Then go to the website you see. Copy the API key and save it somewhere. We will need it later on. Now let's generate API key from Firecrawl server in order to get access to Firecrawl web scraper. First, visit the website shown firecrawl.dev/app/API keys. Next, you will see a screen like this. Create an API key and copy it. The link you see below, replace highlighted curly brackets with your API key and copy it. Let's generate another API key with Tavily server. Scroll down and click on Generate MCP link. Copy and save this link as well to a secure location. Go to Botsify.com, click on Create Agent, select Agent, and enter name. Give the bot the following prompt that has been used or adjust as per your requirements. Click on Connector, then Server on the top right of the box. Enter the following link, enter name under Authentication, select Bearer Token, paste the API key you copied from Appify, and proceed. Again, click on Connector, then Server. Paste the Firecrawl link, enter a name, and continue. For the last time, repeat the process. Paste the Tavily link, enter a name, and continue. Finally, we made it. Let's test it out. Once the conversation starts, provide it with one or multiple job titles. It will ask for the location. You can provide any. We will go for remote only for now. Let's do 10. Fantastic. As you can see, we got a very detailed report. 10 from Upwork and 10 from Indeed with proper working links. It not only has the links, but shows how long ago was the project or job posted. It also contains the amount and worth of each posting, its location, its description. From now on, no need to worry about job finding anymore. Thanks for watching.